Hi, Busker 909 here. This is my latest Diddley Bow. It's a standalone Diddley Bow. So up here, it's a piece of 1x2 poplar, which actually works out to be 1.5 by 3/4. Very standard usage, and I didn't even have to dig it down or anything at all, because this tuner just sticks out the top just a little bit, which is just fine. Gets enough wraps to hold it steady. Tip that up there so you can kind of see that. And for the scale, I made a template a long time ago. You can see the little numbers there on the template. And what they are is just, I got the numbers from the internet and I made out a 24-inch scale template. That's the scale I use for this. But you can also see in the background there the CB Giddy templates for all sorts of different scales. You can get from them and then mark out your own templates. Really easy to do. So I didn't do any customizing to the wood. I originally measured it 36 inches, and then when I was done I just cut it off. Down this end, this is an MGB pickup, single coil pickup. And I scooped it in there. You could actually raise the action up a bit and you wouldn't have to scoop that in at all. And I just used a little dollar store saw and a chisel. Chiseled it across and sanded it so it was flat. And that's all there was to that. And further down, if you look at the bridge there, I'll go flying around here. This bridge, I got that from, I think it actually came from China. I got a whole bag of them, 8 of them for like $10. I had to wait a couple weeks for it to show up, but it worked out pretty good. And then down here, this is just a strat jack. You can get them on Amazon. I have a bunch from doing repairs on people's guitars and stuff like that. And I really like using them, especially with something like this. It's not lying completely flat right now, because if I was going to use it just as a stick, I would put little feet on it because of the tuner, just to raise it up just a hair. But I'm probably going to put it on something like a plank or something, which is what I usually end up doing lately. So that's really all there is to it. I'm back up here. I'll turn it for you. You can see it there. And of course the artwork is just a soldering iron. I'm not that good at it, but it, you know, pretties it up. Anybody could do it. Nothing hard here. And down this end, where all the good stuff is, what I did is that's a clear tape there. And I just cut that little channel with an X-Acto knife. And whoops, everything just fits in there like no problem. And there's the feet. You know, so really nothing to it. Here's a close-up of the template. I didn't need to see that. Just use that, and I use a little square. Once again, everything I use is super inexpensive and readily available, either on Amazon or the dollar store. That's kind of the whole plan to me, is I love getting people started. I've had people ask me to make them one, and I do that, but I usually end up talking so much that they end up making their own, because it's really not that hard. And it sounds great. Nothing to it. So get out there and build your own. Have a great day. Bye.